996, 997, 998, 999. Oh hey, didn't see you there. It's me, Niko, from the Texas Tech Transition Engagement Vlog Squad. You found me in my natural habitat. This is my new San Antonio home. Why am I working out in a V-neck, you may ask? Well, for that, you have to come on inside. Here we go. Oh, did I? Yes. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Welcome, of course, like in every house, the pantry first. Here it is. I did none of the organizing. And this is the TV room. There's a TV in there. Yep, here's the kitchen. This is where we whip it up. Some very homemade ramen. Smells good. Yes. This is the dining room. We don't have a dining table, but look at what we have. Books. They're for reading and such. Let's get up to the fun stuff. Let's go to the second floor. Come on upstairs, guys. This is the loft area. It looks like my roommate was eating before I begged him to help me with this video. Here's the guest room. We just have a mattress. If you want to be a guest in my house, beggars can't be choosers. Hey guys, so this is my room. This is my little desk workstation for all the online classes I have for the summer. I know we don't have to physically go to class, but wherever you work in your house, I think you should still set up a little station so that way you know when you sit down, you're there to work, you're there to get your work done. That's just my 2 cents on online classes. I think I actually kind of prefer them to in-person classes because I like to wear my pajama pants. Online classes, tip of the day. Did it, boop, 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 boop. Do. Now this room, this is where the magic happens. Here it is in all of its nerdy goodness. This is the YouTube studio. This is where I have my personal channel, New World Nerds. This is where we record all the good stuff. Shameless plug, 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 plug. I'm walking on campus, guys. I thought you said it was closed. 100% real play button right here, and the boys are back. They never left. Is that enough for the video? I feel like this whole time I've just been advertising my own channel.
I think this video needs more content.
Puppy vlog the rest of the video?
Puppy vlog.
Alright, Red Raiders, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was a little weird and a little different, but I appreciate you guys coming along on this journey. I don't know if you guys know this, but I've completed my undergrad and I'm just waiting to graduate in August. And this is just the next step after you graduate. I moved to a new place, got a job. You'll see how I got that later on in another video. Thank you guys so much for joining. I very much appreciate it. Wreck 'em. We're still setting up the room. Justin's gonna break this. He's gonna chop it.